Hey, my friends, it's my favorite time of the month. It is our monthly Salt Lake County market overview. Let's see what the market's been doing. There's been a lot of talk about the NAR settlement and commissions, and I think people have taken their eye off the market. So let's dive in and see what the market has been doing. Well, my favorite way to look at it. First, let's look at the report that only updates once a quarter, and that is the home sales graph. And again, as a reminder, to normalize our information, we are going to look at all of Salt Lake County. We're going to look at just single-family homes, and we're going to see what the market's been doing up to date. So what you are staring at here is a graph of all single-family homes in Salt Lake County. The blue line is median price, and the dots represent 1 quarter, so a 90-day period. The green line is the number of homes that came on the market, and the black line is the number of homes that sold. We now have the first quarter of 2024 results, which ended in the end of March, and median price in that quarter for Salt Lake County for a single-family house was $590,000. In that quarter, 1,803 homes sold, and 2,251 came on the market. How did that do compared to the end of 2023? Median price went up $10,000, and about 450 more homes came on the market, and only about 7 more homes sold in the first quarter of this year compared to the fourth quarter. Now, if I looked at just that graph, I might say, well, gosh, I expected a little more appreciation into spring, and I expected the number of homes sold to be about the same as the number of homes that came on the market. Well, this is as of the end of the first quarter. So let's now shift gears and look at our sales per month report and get a little more granular as to what the market is doing right now. We're going to take that same data that was just in the chart, and we are going to look at the exact number of homes sold and how it compares the same month last year. Let's reverse back to winter of 2022-2023. So in January, 14 months ago, 2023, 428 single-family homes sold in Salt Lake County for a median price of $535,000 and a median list-to-sell price ratio of 91%, meaning on average, sellers got 91% of their asking price, and the days on market was 53 days. This January, which just ended a couple months ago, we sold just a few more homes, so 492, and median price went from 535 to 559, and list to sell price ratio went to 95%, and days on market went to 46 days. So price went up, list to sell price ratio went up, unit sales went up, days on market went down. That was January. Let's now look at February. 13 months ago, 573 sales. This February, 615. List to sell price ratio moved up to 98% this February. Okay. March of 2023, 769 sales. This March, 690. Last March, list to sell price ratio, 96%. This March, 98%. Last March, median price, 575. This March, 600,000. So we're seeing a significant trend here of the market speeding up. So far in April, in 10 days, we closed 191 single-family homes. Last April, it was 644. Median price is already up almost another 10,000 from where it was in March. And our list to sell price ratio just moved up to 99%. And days on market looks like it's speeding up. So here is the overall synopsis. The data is one thing, and what we are actually seeing with boots on the ground is the other. Here's what we've seen in the last couple of weeks. We've just gotten to a monthly equilibrium in the market. What that means is in Salt Lake County, there are as many homes under contract right now as there are active up for sale. In fact, if you remove luxury over $1 million, there are more homes in escrow under contract than there are available for sale. So of course, we're seeing low inventory, and we're seeing multiple offers again in a big, big way. In fact, we at our team had a listing that we put up for sale in February at $447,000. It took a couple weeks. We got one offer, and that offer requested $20,000 in a closing cost credit. So we were really netting the seller $427,000 at a list price of $447,000. That offer didn't work out, but we are happy that it didn't, because we put it back on the market on April 3rd. And last weekend, we got 4 offers. The price got bid up this time to $482,000, with only gifting 10 back in closing costs. So the seller is netting almost $40,000 more dollars 6 weeks later. And it wasn't that we remodeled the house. It wasn't that we did fancier marketing or anything like that. It was truly just the drive in the market data that caused a multiple offer situation, got the price bid up, and we're going to see that more and more. If you really look at what we've been saying for the last 90 days, and you take median price that we just achieved in January of $559 and median price that we're sitting at so far in April of $610, in less than 90 days, we have seen median price increase almost $50,000. To put that in a percentage, median price has increased just over 8% in 90 days. So the market, and I've been saying this was going to occur, but this spring appreciation has the market moving at a 2 to 3% appreciation rate per month. We're seeing days on market come down about 10 days per month. And we're seeing list to sell price ratio go from 95 to 99% in the last 90 days. So yes, more homes are coming on the market, but they're also selling much quicker, and they're pretty much going for full price at this point. There is your end of first quarter Salt Lake County single family home update. You know our slogan here at Utah Cribs: we educate you so you can make an educated decision when it comes to your real estate.